Just the baby hairs. Not the adult hairs. Just the baby ones, okay? Just the baby ones. Welcome and welcome back. Okay, so today's video is going to be on this bun. It's really hard to get all of it in the camera, but it's going to be on this bun. Easy to do. Somewhat easy. If you got a lot of arm strength, that will come in handy. If you're going somewhere like extra, like if you're going to brunch, you can add like little fun, cute things into the bun. But I'm not actually going anywhere except work. My hair looks a mess because I tried a new product and it wasn't bad, but it wasn't that great. So I'm gonna be doing a bun, and I'm gonna be using one of these, which most of you probably already know. It's like the bun, the sock bun that you make with socks, but you don't have to make it with socks. I've had this forever, like since forever. So you don't have to make it with socks. You can get like the mesh one, the one that's made out of mesh. And in my opinion, you should probably get that one instead, because this is a little, it's heavy. It's heavy. And who wants to walk around with this like heavy sock bun? But I didn't buy the one that I'm talking about, so I have to show you guys what to do with my handy dandy sock bun. Oh, my arms hurt. My arms hurt. So you could like secure your ponytail wherever you want, but I'm not gonna do that, because like this being on my head and my head being in a ponytail, I usually get a headache. So I don't do that. You want to put it like this, but you don't want to put it past your wrist, like past your, don't put it any lower than this, because it's really hard to get it. Well, if your sock bun is this big, it's really hard to get it from around your wrist. So I just leave it there. So what you're gonna have to do is gather the hair and then kind of like twist it a little bit, because if not, honey, try to like push the hair through. The hard part is over. So you just pull all the hair through. Make it tight, oh. Make it tight. Okay, after that, you just want to like brush up some more of the hair. My arms. Okay. So after that, you just want to, I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit. Just a tiny bit. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit because I want my bun to have texture. I'm not gonna brush it. But if I wanted it to be like a sleek bun, I would brush this down. But that's not the look we're going for today. So we're just gonna take a really big thing and then put it over the back, put it over the front, loosen it up in some spots, you know, make it bloody. Hold on, is that, can you see the butt? Can you see the sock? Because that's no bueno if you can see the sock. You can kind of see the sock. Okay, we're good. So see, this side is like coming out more. So we're gonna put that in. And then you just do your edges. Just the baby hairs. Not the adult hairs. Just the baby ones, okay? Just the baby ones. Okay, and you can decorate it with like some flowers. You gotta be extra. I'm gonna put this on to hold my edges in place, and so that when I do my makeup, it doesn't get all up in my edges region. So I just folded it. Okay, so I'll be back after I do my makeup. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys share my channel with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.